For college students looking to start a business with minimal capital, there are numerous creative and low-cost opportunities to explore. Today in this video, we are sharing 40 business ideas for college students with minimal capital. Number 1. Freelance writing. Number 2. Social media management. Number 3. Graphic design services. Number 4. Web development. Number 5. Micro niche blogging. Number 6. Tutoring services. Number 7. Online course creation. Number 8. Photography. Number 9. Videography. Number 10. Print on demand t-shirts and mugs. Number 11. Dropshipping businesses. Number 12. Affiliate marketing. Number 13. Course creation. Number 14. Podcasting. Number 15. Virtual assistant. Number 16. App development. Number 17. Sell handmade crafts. Number 18. Digital marketing consulting. Number 19. Reselling used books or clothes. Number 20. Event planning. Number 21. Resume writing services. Number 22. SEO consulting. Number 23. Pet sitting or dog walking. Number 24. Personal fitness training. Number 25. Language translation services. Number 26. Etsy shops. Number 27. Food delivery services. Number 28. Upcycling secondhand items. Number 29. Influencer marketing. Number 30. Errand running service. Number 31. Car washing and detailing. Number 32. Online surveys or market research participation. Number 33. Tech support services. Number 34. Handyman services. Number 35. House cleaning services. Number 36. Subscription box business. Number 37. Selling custom jewelry. Number 38. 3D printing services. Number 39. Online fitness classes. And number 40. Meal prep services. With creativity and resourcefulness, college students can pursue profitable ventures while still in college, turning their passion and skills into sustainable income streams. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos.